If you're opening ChatGPT and some of your previous chats are missing from the sidebar, then don't worry. In this video, I'll show you several things you can try to find your missing ChatGPT conversations and fix the problem. Make sure you follow the instructions carefully, and let's get started. First, check whether the conversation is actually missing, or if it has simply disappeared from the recent sidebar list. Open ChatGPT and use the search option in the left sidebar. Type a specific word or phrase that you remember from the missing conversation. ChatGPT can search through your previous conversations, including archived chats, so even if an older conversation isn't visible in the sidebar, it may still appear in search results. OpenAI Help Center. If you find your conversation through search, simply open it and you should be able to access it again. If you still can't find the chat, make sure you're signed into the correct ChatGPT account or workspace. This is especially important if you have multiple Google accounts, different email addresses, or use different sign-in methods. For example, if you originally created your ChatGPT account using Google, make sure you're signing in with the same Google account instead of using a different email or login method. Once you've confirmed that you're using the correct account, try signing out of ChatGPT and then sign back in. Click on your profile, select Log Out, and then log back in. After signing in again, check the sidebar and search for your missing conversation. If the chat is still missing, click on your profile again and open Settings. Go to Data Controls and check your chat history settings. Also, open Archive Chats and select Manage. Your conversation may have been archived instead of deleted. If you find the missing conversation there, select it and choose Unarchive to return it to your active chat history. OpenAI Help Center. If you're still unable to find your chats, check the OpenAI status page. Sometimes ChatGPT can experience an issue where conversations or chat history fail to load properly. If there is an active incident affecting ChatGPT conversations, you'll need to wait until OpenAI resolves the problem. OpenAI has previously reported incidents where users couldn't load conversations or saw missing chat history. OpenAI status +1. If there isn't an active outage, you can also try clearing your browser data. If you're using Chrome, click the three dots in the top right corner and open Settings. Go to Privacy and Security and select Delete Browsing Data. Select Cookies and other site data and cached images and files. Set the time range to all time and click Delete Data. You can also go to the site Data Settings and search for OpenAI or ChatGPT. If you find stored site data for them, remove it. After that, completely close your browser, reopen it, log back into ChatGPT, and check your conversations again. If your chats are still missing, OpenAI. I also recommend requesting a data export from Settings Data Controls. This can help confirm whether the conversations are still stored on your account. OpenAI Help Center. And keep in mind, if a conversation was actually deleted, it cannot be restored through the ChatGPT interface. OpenAI Help Center. Hopefully, one of these methods helped you find your missing ChatGPT conversations.